Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to make sense of math. Our objective today is determining the value of a collection of coins up to $1 and using the cent symbol, dollar sign, and the decimal point to name the value of a collection of coins. First, I would like to remind everyone about the value of each individual coin. Most of you may already know this, but let's go ahead and review. This is a penny. A penny is 1 cent, and as you can see here, you can use the cent symbol or the dollar sign to show its value. And for those of you who know our chant, feel free to sing along. So, penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Now here's a nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents, and like you can see here, you can see the cent symbol and the dollar sign and decimal point to show the value. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Here's a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. You can see the cent symbol and the dollar sign as well. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Now here's a quarter. This is what a quarter looks like. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So you can see here the cent symbol, the dollar sign, and the decimal as well to show its value. And here's the last one, a $half. This is what a $half looks like. $half, giant size, 50 cents to buy some fries. So now that we've reviewed the value of each coin, let's talk about finding the value of multiple coins together. So we have a quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies here. I know from our chants that the quarter is worth 25 cents. And I know from the nickel that it's worth 5 cents. So if I have 25 cents and I add 5 cents, I will get 30 cents. So we have 30 cents and we still have 2 pennies left. I know a penny equals 1 cent. So 30 plus 1 cent would be 31 cents. And 31 cents plus 1 cent would be 32 cents. So the value of a quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies would be 32 cents. Okay, for this one we have 2 dimes and 3 pennies. A dime is worth, does anyone remember? It's worth 10 cents. So if I have a dime worth 10 cents and I want to add another dime, I would add 10 more cents. So 10 plus 10 equals 21 cents. And 21 cents plus 1 cent would be 22 cents. 22 cents plus another penny worth 1 cent would be 23 cents. So the value of 2 dimes and 3 pennies altogether would be 23 cents. So now we have a quarter, a dime, and 2 nickels. And if I wanted to know the value of these coins, I would start at the quarter. And a quarter I know is worth 25 cents. 25 cents. So now if I want to add the dime, I would add 10 cents. 25 plus 10 cents would be 35 cents. Now 35 cents plus 5 cents for the nickel would be 40 cents. And if we wanted to add one more nickel, it would be 45 cents. So for 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 2 nickels, it equals 45 cents. Now we have a word problem. If I have one of each coin we discussed, do you think I would have less than or more than $1? Now the coins that we discussed are the $half, the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny. So I know that a $half is worth 50 cents. So I start out with 50 cents, and then I am going to add on the quarter. The quarter I know is worth 25 cents. So 50 cents plus 25 cents would be 75 cents. Now if I have 75 cents and I want to add on a dime, I would do 75 cents plus 10 cents, which would equal 85 cents. So a $half, a quarter, and a dime equal 85 cents. If I wanted to add a nickel, which is 5 cents, I would do 85 cents plus 5 cents equals 90 cents. Now we have 1 penny left. So we're already at 90 cents. If we add a penny, that would be 91 cents. So all together with the $half, the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny, we have 91 cents. And the question was, would I have less than or more than $1? So 91 cents would be less than $1. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll see you in class, and I want to make sure that you know the value of a combination of coins, so review this if you need to. And we'll be doing a fun activity in class, and you can even win or buy a prize. So we're going to do an activity dealing with school money, and you can buy a prize with that money if you know the value of your combination of coins.